Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add GCash as a payment method in the Google Play Store. So step 1, open the Google Play Store app or go to their website. Step 2, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3, go to the payments and subscriptions and then select payment methods. Step 4, tap add GCash from the list of the available options. And step 5, enter your GCash mobile number and tap next. Or you can also scan this QR code if you are on website. And step 6, log into your GCash account to authorize the access. Step 7, after confirmation, GCash will be added to your payment methods. You can now use GCash to pay for apps, games, and subscriptions right from the Play Store. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.